Every year, billions of crayons bring color to children's drawings around the world. But have you ever wondered how these tiny sticks of color are made?
The process begins with paraffin wax. Huge tanks heat the wax until it melts into a smooth liquid. The colored wax is poured into metal molds that shape each crayon. As the wax cools, it hardens into the familiar crayon shape.
Each crayon receives a protective paper wrapper to keep hands clean and prevent breaking. Every crayon is carefully inspected to ensure perfect quality and color. Finally, the crayons are packaged and shipped to stores around the world. From melted wax to colorful creativity doll, that's the amazing journey of a crayon.